Titan is gearing up for a mega acquisition in the US. We've got Nisha Poddar joining us from the newsroom with all the exclusive details. Nisha, tell us which company this is that Titan's eyeing and how big could this deal be?
George, this could be a very big deal. What Titan is eyeing and what sources with direct knowledge tell me is that they're studying and evaluating an opportunity of making an offer for a buyout for a US-based luxury brand company called Harry Winston Diamond Corporation. Now, this company's valuation is close to $1 billion. It's an NYSE-listed company with a market cap of close to $1 billion, and it has a revenue of about $200 million in the last quarter. Now, looking at this particular company and how it makes sense for Titan is that Harry Winston is into the topmost market of selling jewelry as well as exclusive range of timepieces. And that's somewhere Titan is not present at this point. It generally caters to the middle class and the upper middle class segment of the market, and also doesn't have that large a footprint as far as the US market is concerned. So Harry Winston does all that if the acquisition is fruitful and if the acquisition is made by Titan. Money, of course, is a big deal. $1 billion is going to be a large amount for Titan to cull out from its balance sheet and give for a buyout. But for Harry Winston, apart from being a luxury brand maker, it also has 40% stake in a diamond reserve, which is based in Canada, and that also attracts a lot of valuations for that particular company. So all in all, it could make sense for Titan, and Tatas, remember, are always known for big brand acquisitions, prestige buyouts, big names in the foreign markets, and this could be just one of them. But at the moment, what I gather from my sources is that Titan is evaluating all the options, is examining this particular company, and an offer could be made.